Good morning! We're here at Batangas Lakelands. Grabe oh! Ang laki ng place nila. Yes!
Eto, from the gate all the way to the main event or the main venue, medyo mahaba-habang takbuhan at lakaran pa. Ang laki kasi ng place, ang lawak.
So we have here zip line, rappelling, and wall climbing. Unlimited! Paulit-ulit kang, parang mag-practice ka na rin ng wall climbing, zip line, tsaka rappelling. Unlimited eh. For 899. Later na tayo umikot. Ang init. See that? Ang tahimik. Tapos ang lawak ng place. Time check, it's only 9:20. Kaya konti pa lang yung tao. Baka later dumami.
So we had 1 round of archery, that's 5 arrows, and 1 round of airsoft, 10 pellets.
This, the Pogi sign rule. So here, it's too high for you.
Pastor! Pastor!
After this, nag-bus tour kami para makita ang buong lugar. May mga tents sila in certain areas where you can eat and relax at pwedeng magdala ng foods. Or you can rent their nipa huts, 2,000 for whole day and 1,000 for half a day. Kaya nag-rent kami for half day lang para malagay lang yung mga gamit at yung mga foods. Ang lawak din ng parking area nila and parking fee is 100 pesos.
Going to the zip line. Kalayo ba?
Yung ticket namin was a promo rate for 999 pesos, but if you pre-book, may discount na 100 pesos, kaya naging 899 pesos na lang siya. Very responsive and very accommodating ang ka-chat namin online.
Welcome guys to my vlog.
Kung gusto nyo pong rappelling lang po kayo ng rappelling. Then, kapag ayaw nyo na po, tsaka po tayo lilipat ng isang araw.
Now, let's go to the exciting part of the program. Ito yung mga unlimited zipline, pero di na ako nag-dare, ang taas eh. Ito talaga, I wanted to try this. Ito yung wall climbing. Then, may rappelling pa, which was so thrilling. Pero sayang, kasi ang init lang talaga, kaya hindi namin nasulit ang unlimited.
Congratulations sa inyong lahat.
Thank you po.
Mababait yung mga staff nila, kahit mainit, they were so helpful in assisting us.
Thank you po.
And that's it for our fun and exciting stay here at Batangas Lakelands. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!